fashion statements.
I think she is also following.
What Asha is a good singer. She will be friendly with the dancer also. She will be friendly with everyone. Will communicate well in the class. Both of them had made the class very active. They are going to miss that. I'm sure both will shine in their life. All the best.
Friends, today Sudha and Asha are parallel. I miss you lot. They are very enjoying this class.
You enjoyed their company too?
I've enjoyed this class. Best of all.
Yes, Padmini,
Good morning to all. Today farewell is Asa Sri and Sudha. I like very much. Suddenly I can't remember. So I like very much, and I am happy to wish success in our life, in your life. Thank you.
Yes, madam.
Friends, I'm Kulswani. Today we are with Asha, Sudha ma'am. So both of them is here. So both of them, Sudha ma'am, very well, good advisor. Your speaking to English continues. So the daily reading the newspaper, storybook, small bird storybook, continue reading, 5 minutes work, good advice. I keep the advice. So thanks for you. Asha ma'am very quiet and speaking very well English. You speaking to my design to me improvement in English. So thanks for you. You both of you life the light of brightfully life brighter. So thanks.
Kirtana, she joined us yesterday, but yes, she's interacted within the whole of yesterday.
Today the farewell speech is Asha ma'am and Sudha ma'am. First day I saw the
She is Sudha.
my fear is gone.
Thank you. What matching to you?
Asha ma'am, I don't know about her. Yesterday when I joined it,
But you enjoyed with them yesterday.
Sudha ma'am,
Fine.
I listened.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. So Gunashekhar sir, it's time for you to speak a few words. I just want to add something at this stage. See, like everyone knows Sudha speaks very well. From day one, she had been speaking well. But when I started talking to Sudha, I got some information that she studied in a Tamil medium school. I guess a schooling, correct?
Yes.
And see, one thing I would like her to share before Gunashekhar speaks to us, how, see, like, it's a total transformation, of the Sudha. Probably, I don't know how you spoke then. I have no, I just can't feel, I can't even think about it. But how did you transform yourself? I would like you to just give a few words, and then Gunashekhar sir can talk. Like some of them are inhibited still. So just in order that they overcome their inhibitions, I'd like you to address that point, please. Thank you, Sudha. And then sir, you take over. Yeah, yes, I want to thank you. Thank you.
share some tips how to improve your English for Tamil medium students, or if you are from an English medium, it will also help you. First one, start thinking in English. You need to think in English. Whatever work you do, whatever thing you see, just start thinking the thing in English. First one. Second one is start reading newspapers and listening to English news from broadcasted in channels like BBC, CNN. That will improve your pronunciation. Pronunciation speaks for you. Speaks for the English knowledge you have. So those are the two things. And then reading newspaper. Try to read aloud. Read things aloud. Just take a book or newspaper. Just try to read things aloud. It will improve your pronunciation, and then it will make you confident.
Thanks. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, folks. Okay, it's a very farewell day for Asha and Sudha. Sudha, when she came and met us some 6 months back, I would say, the day one she took a class and she was not in a position to complete the training and she left. And we thought, we didn't have a hope that she'd come back. Okay, and suddenly one day she came and said, no, I want to take up the training. Yes, of course, we can continue the training. I'm very happy to see Sudha back because she understood one day she understood how the training was. So that made her come back and take up the training. I think so. Very sure. So it is a feather on our crown. Actually, Hemant is another feather on our crown. And Asha, when I have to say Asha, when I spoke to her the first day, she was not very confident to join with us the training. And then Kavi called us and he inquired us how the training was. And then he said, okay, I'll call you back. And when Lakshmi followed it up, she said she'll come the same day, but she didn't turn up on that day. So normally what we do is, I don't know about the other institutions. When I joined this company, I said I will keep following up with the people. Until they say, no, I don't want. That is my way of, maybe I'm torturing them to join us or whatever, I don't mind. But I want to say yes or no. So till that is my way of, that is the thing we follow. So again, we called her and there was no response from that end. So let me try for another day, or then we gave it up. And suddenly she called us and said, I'm coming today and joining. The day when she came and she was questioning me, how will we train? First time I'm coming for this kind of training, I don't know how to train. Because my hubby used to say there are institutions where they collect the money and they won't train, and they say something and that won't be applicable. I can't apply it wherever I go, kind of all these things. I said only one thing. I said, I can assure you that I can give you a proper training. At the end of the training, you will say, like, yes, of course, I've stepped into the right place. That's the thing she told me to do. So that is what we used to say to everyone, not only Usha, Sudha, everyone. We used to say at the end of the training, you will come to know, yes, we have stepped into the right place and got a proper training here. Because I have a 200% hope that Hema ma'am, that she can give a proper training. So even though we have different trainers in our institute, first thing I give to Hema ma'am, why can't you come in the morning, take up the training in the morning? Because of her, she can give a foundation, very strong foundation she can give. The other trainers, I don't mean that the other trainers are not so good. They are the current modern training scenario they follow. But Hema follows the traditional way of training, like where they are studying, that particular thing to be fired out. So make them to speak. That is her way of handling people. People management is not so easy. So she knows each and every person's caliber. Based on that, she will be bringing them out of that fear and other things. Okay, so that's the reason I used to say, why can't you come in the morning? If you are weak in grammar, come in the morning, take up the train. At the same time, even Hema ma'am used to say, like, the evening trainer, Mr. Anand is very good in public speaking and other areas, because he won't concentrate more on the grammar part, he'll be concentrating more on the spoken part, how the person has to come out of his fear and speak in public. So his way of teaching will be entirely different. So I used to say, why can't you come in the morning for your basic foundation to get strong over making framing sentences and other things. So we used to come in the morning. Certain people, and once they got into our class and they don't say, well, we will go into evening class, they will fixed up here and complete their training. And some person, for some reason they may ask, I want to see another trainer, how the training is going on there. So we'll be taking the training in the evening also. There will be activities will be in a different way. So the person who is seeking for a job, kind of, if they come there, he is a corporate trainer. So he used to train them accordingly how they have to face the interview and such a thing. It is entirely different. But I'm really happy to see you guys came and gave up the very good words to everyone. And it was so nice to hear after a long time a very good speech.
And all of them spoke.
Yeah. And that's what, obviously, even ma'am also tried to speak, you also tried to speak. Of course, you can, that fear, came out of the fear and stand here, spoke in front of everyone. That is the main thing. If you come out of the fear, you can speak. As she said, you have to think in English. Yes, of course, I get that. Even though I was an English medium student, I don't have space to speak in English because I don't have people to speak in English. I still remember my friend, she is a Gujarati and 3 sisters and 1 brother in that house. Everyone will speak in English. Okay. Even her dad will speak in English. She was the one who made me to speak like this in English. Because, she will say, like, don't worry about the mistakes. You speak, come out. You speak whatever. Maybe your language is very odd. Maybe you have a Tanglish with you, or maybe you have a mother tongue influence, kind of whatever. Don't worry about all these things. Just speak out. I will correct you whenever. She's like another Hema, how Hema is for me, the same way. She molded me in such a way to speak in English. And suddenly she got married and she left the US. There was no one again back to speak in English. And I was back to square one. And when I joined Sutherland, only then I developed my English, because I have my experience there, which is sleeping inside. And I don't have a place to express my English somewhere. And I got a chance in Sutherland, where Sutherland is a place where people used to come from different parts of state. And obviously, only communication language is English. I don't know Hindi. So there I started speaking in English and slowly developed my fluency there. The day one when they asked me to address the people, the day one, that is actually they have different batches over there. When they will be completing one fine day after the training. And we used to go there. I was in the operation, so we used to go there and address them about what is their next step to go. And so that is my part there. So I said, you guys speak first, I listen what you guys are speaking, and then I vomit everything, whatever you speak. So that is what the way I spoke to them. They spoke something and I listened to that. But I have everything inside, I don't know how to express. I don't know, I didn't find a proper place to express all these, but this is the real chance.